Alright, let's get this shifter paddle kit installed. Inside the box, you'll find a power cable, a Type-C charging cable, a trim removal tool, the shifter paddle itself, and a control box. Before we start, go ahead and connect the power cable to the control box. Then remove the passenger side door seal and take off the dash side panel. Use a tool to pop out this clip it's already removed here, and then remove the door sill trim panel. Now grab the power cable that's connected to the control box and plug it into this slot on the car. Unplug the factory harness, connect it to the new power cable, and then connect the other end of the new cable back to the factory port. Once that's done, tidy up the wiring and reinstall the sill trim. The clip, the side panel, and the door seal. Next, grab the shifter paddle and charging cable. Adjust the steering wheel so you have enough space to work, then clean the area where you'll be mounting the paddle. Line it up to check the position. Peel off the adhesive backing and press it firmly into place. That's it. Installation complete. The Type-C cable can be used anytime you need to charge your phone. If the shifter paddle doesn't respond after installation, it just needs to be calibrated. To do that, press and hold the left scroll wheel down, push the right scroll wheel to the right, and pull the shifter paddle down. Once that's done, it should start working normally.